Hello friends, welcome to UpTech CAD Camp, Learning Center for Innovation. My name is Rohit. As you all know, currently all over world is battling with coronavirus, that is COVID-19. And this COVID-19 pandemic is pushing the world's availability of personal protective equipments in the market. Doctors, nurses and support staff reported dire shortage of protective gears. Hence 3D printing community all over the world come up with different protective gears. Today we are going to talk on a very famous gear, face shield. Design for face shield is taken from open source platform. There are so many designs available in the 3D printing community, out of which our team has chosen a design from 3D Workstation. Link of download is given in the description below. While downloading this file, we have taken European 4-hole punch file. This design doesn't require any elastic to stay on head. It's just the tension of the 3D print, and it was designed for standard A4 size transparent sheets. This face shield is an add-on protection over N95 Mask. Now let us get into Cura software. Print settings are print speed 160 mm per second, layer height 0.3 mm, infill 0%, wall thickness 1.6 mm, printing temperature 210 degrees Celsius as we are using PLA printing material. Now we are good to go for 3D printing. Benefits of face shield. It protects our full face from all respiratory droplets. Easy to assemble, just need to press fit transparent sheet into 3D printed part. Easy to wash, lightweight, comfortable fit without any elastic bands. That's it. If you like this video, please do hit like button. For more such cool stuff, do hit subscribe button. And I want to thank you all for watching. Bye bye. Take care.